Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Welcome to another video on profit and equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a tiny small cap where the promoters have acquired 1.5 lakh shares between February 5 to 7. Now this is also a share which occupied pride of place in Dolly Khanna's portfolio over the previous quarters. However, in the recent quarter, she has brought down her holding below 1%. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Srikalahasti Pipes Limited, which is available at Rs 180.85 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is SRIPIPES. Now Srikalahasti Pipes Limited is engaged in the manufacture and supply of ductile iron pipes. The company offers public utility services for water infrastructure development. It also produces low ash metallurgical coke, sinter liquid metal and power for captive consumption in its integrated complex. In addition, it also manufactures and supplies cement and pig iron. Now looking at the 1-year chart, the price performance has been really disappointing and a lot of wealth has been eroded here. The company is a small cap with a market capitalization of 844.54 crores. The EPS of 24.85 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 7.28, which is much cheaper when compared to the industry PE of 10.32. The price to book ratio of 0.72 is also not cheap. The company also has a very attractive dividend yield at 3.32%, whereas the promoter holding stands at 44%. Another good factor is that none of the promoters' holding is pledged. Total debt on the books is 2.405 billion Indian rupees. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.